Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 29.7 to 54.2 wide baby gate for stairs, a proud recipient of the Mom's Choice Award, designed to keep your little ones and pets safe with ease and style. This extra wide gate, adjustable from 29.7 to 54.2 inches in width and standing 30.5 inches tall, is perfect for blocking off stairways, doorways, and hallways, ensuring a secure environment in your home. Thanks to its pressure-mounted installation, you can set it up without drilling or damaging your walls, making it an ideal solution for both straight and curved spaces. With 150N impact protection, this gate is robust enough to handle large dogs like Huskies and Labradors, while its accessible ramp allows for easy passage. The gate features a double-lock safety release to keep curious toddlers at bay, and it swings open in both directions with a 90-degree open and stop feature, automatically closing for added security. Whether you're a new parent or a pet owner, the Cumbor Baby Gate offers enhanced safety and peace of mind, making it a beloved choice in thousands of homes. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.